Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video we're going to explain how to repair this sprinkler system pipe. Yeah, that's right, I cut it out. I was actually going for roots that are in my backyard, and yeah, I accidentally cut my water line and now I need to repair it. So really easy, $10 thing, but a lot of people will call somebody to repair it. You don't need to do that, you can do it yourself. There's the line and there's the piece I cut out, trying to get at that root. Oops. Well, we have to pull the soil back so we can get access to it, clean it off. Then we have to use some couplers to reattach the pipe along with some pipe glue. And you want to make sure there's no dirt on it, so you take some water and wash it off. Make sure it's clean. Make sure there's nothing inside, well, as much as you can avoid. You don't want that clogging up your sprinkler heads. It needs to be dry, no water on here, so take a dirty cloth, or well, an old cloth, I guess a dirty cloth, wipe it off. Now, if you have a jagged edge like this, you're going to want to trim that off. So use a hacksaw, or really any saw will do for this type of pipe. And the way you start cutting is take your saw and draw backwards. Okay, so I've got the ends cleaned up, I got it all dried and tidied. I'm just going to give this a little wipe to make sure there's no dirt on it because I was just sawing away in there. Now, what we have to do is take our pipe cement. I always find this troublesome to get off. Oh, there we go, the first time, so I use some water pump pliers, but whatever. Take it off, take the lid off, there'll be a little ball in there. Yep, there it is. Roll it around in there like that on both sides. Make sure there's plenty of it. It's cheap. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to set, so you don't have to worry about it setting on you in 5 seconds. But you do want to get both sides of this. So, and all the way around, unless you like leaks, in which case feel free to just do the top part. Now, make sure you put some on here as well. When I say some, I mean a lot. Put it on, twist it. And we don't need to, but just on principle, I'm going to put some around the outside here. A little more on this side. There we go. Let's pop this on. There we go. Again, make sure you twist it around. Same on the other side here. I'd be more careful with this if this was indoor plumbing, but it's outdoor, I just don't care. Put it on, spin it. Push this all back in the ground so it's in its final position. So I used way too much pipe cement, but pipe cement's super cheap, and this is an outdoor application, so it doesn't make the slightest difference. But you really don't need to use near that much. Now, I'm going to leave this unburied till tomorrow because I want it to harden up good and solid. But I am going to let the sprinkler system run about 2 a.m. I'm not going to run water through it right away because while the cement will have set up on the outside, on the inside of that pipe, it's still not going to be rock solid yet. So probably an hour or two is probably a reasonable amount of time to wait. And then tomorrow I'll come out, make sure there's no water leak. And assuming there isn't, I'll bury the pipe. So the point of this is you can do this yourself. You just need a couple of collars and some pipe cement. Super cheap, easy fix, no real effort. I didn't have to use the hacksaw to tidy it up, but I did. You don't have to if you don't want to. Hey, if you found this video useful, big thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below. And if we don't get a hold of you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.